All right, everybody, welcome back. We're diving into something kind of cool today.
Yeah, this should be a fun one.
So, like, every time you turn around, there's all this talk about AI, right?
Hmm.
And, like, every job is going to be replaced by robots,
Right.
right? And HVAC technicians are probably wondering, like, hey, am I going to be out of a job?
Yeah, for sure.
So we found this podcast from, like, an HVAC company,
Oh, wow.
and they were talking about this whole thing, and they're like,
Interesting.
AI is not going to replace us, but it's going to, like, totally change how we do our jobs.
I love that they just addressed it head on,
Yeah, it's really cool.
not just like, everything's fine.
Yeah, your job's safe. Don't worry.
Yeah.
They're like, no, it's going to be different.
Yeah, it's going to be a game changer.
So like one of the things they talked about
Yeah.
was AI helping with diagnostics.
Oh, yeah, that's huge.
So instead of like a technician spending hours
Right.
trying to figure out what's wrong with the system,
Yeah.
AI could like sift through all that data
Mm.
from all the sensors and be like, boom, this is the problem.
Instantaneously, basically.
Yeah, it was crazy.
Yeah, like imagine.
Like it could save so much time.
Right.
And like you have a refrigerant leak.
Okay.
Instead of checking every single connection manually,
Uh-huh.
AI analyzes all that data.
Yeah, all those pressure readings, the temperature fluctuations.
Yeah.
And it tells you exactly where to look.
Yeah, like it's like having superpowers or something.
It really is.
But like, doesn't this make you wonder
What's that?
if technicians are going to become too reliant on the AI?
Oh, that's a good point.
Like what happens to all those skills?
Yeah, like the core diagnostics that they had to learn.
Right, exactly.
That's the human element.
Yeah.
And that's what the podcast really stressed.
Okay.
They're like, AI is a tool.
It's not replacing anybody.
It's not a replacement. It's there to help technicians work better and smarter.
Okay.
So like AI might flag a faulty compressor,
Okay.
but the technician still has to look at the whole system.
Right. Consider all the factors.
The environment.
Yeah.
And then they figure out the best way to repair it.
So it's like AI is doing the routine stuff,
Mm-hmm.
and then the technicians can focus on like the bigger picture.
Exactly. They
I
can
mean-
be like system experts.
Yeah, that's actually pretty exciting.
I think so.
And this isn't just limited to HVAC, right?
No, not at all.
Like plumbers could use AI to figure out all those pipes in old buildings.
Certainly.
Or electricians to like prevent blackouts.
Predict problems before they even happen.
Yeah, it's pretty wild when you think about it.
It really is.
So basically, the robots aren't coming to steal jobs.
Not this thing.
They're coming to be our partners.
I like that. I like that a lot.
So what are some other jobs you think AI could change?
That's a good question.
Let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.